In this video, I will show you how to switch or change Gemini's spoken language or display language in your Gemini app, whether you are using Android phone or iPhone. Let me show you how. Open up your Gemini app. The next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on these three dots right here. And then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on this setting icon. Then scroll down right here until you get to settings. Then here you go. All you have to do right here, where you have for speaking to Gemini, languages right here, click on that. Then here you go. Go ahead and click on here. Then at this point here, you have all available languages right here. So you can choose any of the language right here, and Gemini is going to recognize the language. As at the time of making this video, these are available language on Gemini that you can easily use right now, that is fully supported by Gemini AI. Once you choose your language right here, then you can speak the language to Gemini and you are going to get exact response to whatever language you choose right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Gemini AI app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.